If you're running a Rhino-Rack Backbone system and you're looking for a clean lighting setup that requires no drilling, no exposed wires, and is a direct fit, you're going to love our RackLok mount. The RackLok is a dedicated and direct fit mount specifically engineered for the Rhino-Rack Backbone system. It slides into the existing holes of the backbone and locks into place using our 3-piece housing. The housing is molded from UV stabilized ASA, a high-performance material chosen for its resistance to heat, impact, UV, and of course, the harsh environment. The fixed 30-degree angle is purpose-built for backbone installs. It positions your RockLite Pro or Spectrum Pro as an overhead downlight, ideal for campsites, trays, canopies, work zones, and even perimeter lighting, without the need for shims or adjustable brackets that can come loose. And we've designed a threaded shaft to have the wiring run through internally. Not only does this provide a clean OEM install, but it also means there's no exposed cables that could potentially snag when you're heading down those narrow tracks. So how do we install? Pretty simple. Attach a RockLite or Spectrum Pro to the 30-degree housing using the included bolt and M6 nut. Tighten it so that it seats firmly in place. After that, you want to run the cable through the center of the threaded shaft. This internal path keeps everything concealed and protected once installed. With the wiring fed through, clip the threaded shaft into the 30-degree housing so the assembly becomes one solid unit. After you've done that, pass the assembled mount through an existing hole in the backbone spine and then secure it behind using the compression nut. Tighten it down until the mount locks firmly with zero movement. This process only takes a few minutes and results in a rock-solid professional installation. The RackLok gives backbone owners a purpose-built way to mount our RockLite Pros and Spectrum Pros with hidden wiring and of course a 30-degree mount that's specifically engineered for real-world applications. And if you are running a different rack system, we do have other dedicated mounts such as our Roller Titan mount, so head over to our website and check out all the options.